Today I'm going to show you how to manage your Google My Business profile from Google Search and Google Maps. Simply type in your business name. From here, you'll see your business listing on Google, and all you need to do is go to Edit Profile, and then choose what update you need to do. I need to update my hours because we're opening on Saturdays now, so I'm going to change that. If you want to update your business profile from Maps, you go to maps.google.com, and then from here you type in the name of your business. There you go. And there's Manage Your Business Profile here on the left. And it works exactly the same as it did in search. Edit Profile, and then you can change your hours. Don't forget that you can use your Google My Business profile as an effective social media tool. We have our products listed, our services, and we also put all of our social posts on here as well. All you need to do is choose Add Update, and you can put all of your social media on there as well. The image size is a little bit different. It's 540 wide, and it's 405 tall. If you have any questions about using Google My Business for your social media, give us a call. Thanks.